You can expect a lot from the 2022 Jeep Gladiator. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.